In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show closed tasks in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look to review completed work, confirm what's done, and keep your lists tidy and up to date. First, log into your ClickUp dashboard using your usual sign-in method. Once you're in, head to your team space from the left-hand sidebar. Think of your team space as home base. This is where your tasks and lists live, and where you'll do most of your organizing. Next, open the list you want to work on. Lists are a great way to group related tasks, whether you're tracking a project, a sprint, or a department's workload. Inside the list, you'll see your tasks at a glance. Some may be active, others may already be closed. To give this process a little context, I'll quickly add a new task. Type in a clear, short title, add any essential details if you need to, and then click Save. Saving keeps your list current and ensures anything you just created or changed is stored. Now, let's focus on closed items. Move to the top right area of your screen and hover over the checkmark icon. This gives you a quick overview of your completed tasks in this list, which is perfect for a status review or a quick progress check. If you work with subtasks, you can include completed subtasks as well, so you get the full picture of what's been wrapped up. If this is a view you'll want to revisit later, click Save View. That way, your preferences for seeing closed work are remembered, and you won't have to set them up again the next time. Let's try another list to confirm the process is consistent. Click into a different list, and make sure you're using the list view so you can see tasks in a straightforward column and row style. I'll demonstrate by closing a sample task called New Software. Open the task and click Complete. You can follow this same process for any other items that are ready to be closed. With those updates done, go back to the top right check mark to verify that your newly completed task now appears with the closed items. That confirmation step helps you ensure nothing slips through the cracks. And that's it. You logged in, navigated to your team space, opened the right list, added and saved a task, viewed closed tasks and completed subtasks, saved the view, switched lists, marked a task complete, and confirmed it's now shown as closed. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more tutorials. Ciao guys!